Hey guys, welcome back. So I am here on my channel with a brand new video, and today's video is going to be a Prom Girl unboxing. And basically this is like a welcoming goodie box for me, because I am now a PG queen through Prom Girl, and I have received a DM from them from their official Instagram account, and they were just saying, you know, how they like my content that I post, and basically I believe it's like an ambassador for their brand. So yeah, it's really awesome, and I took the opportunity on, and I'm really excited to see what they sent me in this box. Now, I do know one thing is that there is a shirt in here, because the lady had emailed me and she asked what my shirt size was, so I'm pretty sure there's a shirt in here. But I will leave, you know, all like the different information about being a PG queen, because I have some research to do, because I don't really know everything that a PG queen does. But I know there's a lot of perks to being a PG queen, a lot of opportunities you can, you know, be involved in. So I will leave all that information down below for you guys to read it and, you know, get some more information about it. So I do not want this intro to be any longer, so if you guys like to see what I got in my Prom Girl box, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the box looks like this, and it's just a big old white box, and I know the light is going to go down, but yeah. It says PG Queen right here on the front of it. Okay, so here is how the box looks inside. It is really pretty, and it's all pinked out. You guys know I love anything with pink, so I really am excited to see a lot of pink stuff in here. It's one of my favorite colors. So let's see what's all inside my box. So the first thing I see right now is definitely a bath bomb, and it just says make it fizz. The scent is cherry almond, so it's gotta be like red or something like that. So I can't wait to see what this looks like. There's also a note in here from Prom Girl, and it just says, "Hi Shalisha, we love checking out your Insta. We're so excited you're going to be one of our hashtag PG queens. We put together a box of goodies we think you'd really like. Looking forward to seeing how you rep PG swag. Love, Prom Girl." Oh, that is so sweet. So thanks Prom Girl so much. And yeah, so this is just the card that they sent. So like I said, there was a shirt in here, and it looks like this. This color is really pretty, and it just says I heart Prom Girl. Very cute shirt, and I got a size small. Can't wait to wear this, and I'll probably end up posting like a boomerang on Instagram or something like that in this shirt, and it's very cute. Love the color. They also have an eyeshadow primer in here, and yeah, this is really nice because it's a tube applicator, and I really do like this. I thought it was gonna be like a squeeze tube, and this is gonna be really nice. You don't get your hands messy and everything, so this is very convenient, and I can't wait to try it out, see how it works. They also sent me an eyeshadow from Forever 21, and this is their makeup line, and it is just in the shade pink/rose. I love how they went with the theme of like the pink box and stuff, so that's very creative, and I can't wait to see how, you know, pigmented this is and what the color looks like on me. I got something from Maybelline, and this is just their Baby Skin Instant Cheek Flush, and I got the shade Pop of Peach. It's number 30, and I'm guessing you just, you know, twist this, and it's like a roller ball. I thought it was like a thing of like blush, and you just like use your fingers, but this is really nice and handy. Let us see how this color looks like on me, and see how pigmented and how good of a quality it is, and I can't wait to try this out. They also put all of this pink candy in here. There is just a baggie of Starburst. I'm going to definitely finish those. I love Starburst. And there's just some gum. I am addicted to gum, literally. And then there's just some more Starburst in here. So this is always nice. I love candy, so that's going to be gone by like in a few days. They also sent a little pin, and it just says Prom Girl. So cute, and I'm going to have to find something to put this on. And I found two more. And the very last thing in my Prom Girl box is just a bag, and this is going to be really nice to put stuff in, because I know I have a lot of stuff. I could use this when I'm like traveling, or you know, at any YouTube events I'm going to be at this year. So this is always nice to have bags like this, you know, you could put little stuff in there, maybe go to a sleepover or, you know, whatever. Bags like this are always nice to have because they're very handy, and they always come in clutch when you gotta, you know, pack some bags and all that. So I really do like this bag, and it's really sturdy too. And it also has like the name of Prom Girl at the bottom, which is really nice. And yeah, so that is all that is in the Prom Girl box. I am not done. I'm going to show you guys some of the little goodies I got for my first round at the semi-annual sale at Victoria's Secret, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is just some underwear, because their underwear were like, I believe they're like $3 to $4. They're not really expensive, so I just got me some underwear, and I got about 5. So I took on the 5 for $28 deal, I believe it was. So I just got 5 different pairs, and I can't wait to wear them. Now, until I get down KOP to see what they got down there for the semi-annual sale, I went to my local Victoria's Secret, and they don't really have like the biggest like pink selection, so like the stuff was like slim picking, but I found some stuff that I did like and I can wear because it is cold. So I got me 2 pairs of sweatpants, and they're basically similar, just different colors. So I really did like them because I'm always in need of new sweatpants. I love, you know, a new pair of sweats, and I have some hoodies to wear with these too, so it's really good. I try to, you know, match my little stuff from Pink Up. So this first pair is just red, and I love red like sweatpants. I love red in general. Like, I love red hoodies. Anything red I love. So these are the classic pants, and they go all the way down. You say pink on the leg, and they also have white in them with black, and they just cuff at the bottom. So this is the first pair I got. And the last pair of sweats I got is like similar to the red ones I got, and they're just this blue color. I thought this blue was so pretty. It kind of reminds me of like a periwinkle type of blue. Really nice, and it's a really cute color. So they go all the way down, and they have some white at the bottom, and it just says pink. And they also have a little zipper at the ankle. So I thought these were nice, so I really do love both of my sweatpants. Next, I got me a perfume because this smells so good, and if you guys go there, check out the scent. It's called Wild Vanilla. It looks like this. Really cute packaging, and it smells really good. It does smell like vanilla. I just really love this scent. I don't know, just something about it I really did like. And make sure you guys go check out their scents and their fragrances and all that, because they are on sale right now. They are $4.99, like all the lotions, body creams, perfumes, everything. Go over there and get you some perfumes because they're on sale. And originally these perfumes are $18, so make sure you guys go stock up on some, because that is a really good deal for the perfumes, because they are pretty on the pricey side for this little bottle. So go get you some perfumes and stuff. And last but not least, of course I had to go to the lip stuff, because I always gotta get some lip gloss or some type of lip stuff every time I'm in Victoria's Secret, because their lip gloss and their stuff are really good and they last a long time. So this time around I only got 1 lip gloss. It's not a squeeze tube, but so the gloss I got is just called Peekaboo, and it's just like this really pretty nudish pink color. You can use this to, you know, blend lipstick, or, you know, blend it with a different gloss, and it can make a really cute combination. So I got this, and I got 2 last things, and the first thing I got is just a liquid color, and this is in the shade Decent. It's like a brownish purplish color. And this last one I got is just a velvet matte, and this is in the shade Drama. So this is more of like a purple, and this is like a darker brownish purple color. So you can tell the difference. This is more purple, this is more brown. So I really came to try these out and see how well they are. If they're good, I'll go ahead and get some more, because they definitely were on sales, like buy 2 get 1 free. So that's really good. So bought 2 got 1 free. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to go over to the semi-annual sale and get some stuff on sale, because you guys should, because Victoria's Secret and Pink in general is expensive. So I would advise you guys to go over now and get some stuff on sale. I know they're going to have a lot of their winter stuff to, you know, transition into the spring and summer. So go over and get you guys some stuff. It's going to be really good deals for you guys over there. So yeah, I can't wait to go down KOP and get me some more stuff. Our Pink down KOP is really big, so yeah, you have to go down there and see what else they have down there. So I'm also hosting a giveaway, and it's still going on. It doesn't end until January 13th. It ends this next Saturday, so make sure you guys go join. I have the picture on my Instagram. You have to repost that picture and use the hashtag, and you are officially entered into the giveaway. I am giving away a planner, and basically you get a gift card to a website to design your own planner of your choice. I think it's a good giveaway since it is the new year. You know, semester of school starting up. You might need a little planner to plan your stuff out, or if you are a YouTuber or a newer YouTuber, you can plan your ideas out. It's always nice to be organized and stuff, so I would definitely advise you guys to go join the giveaway. All you have to do is just go follow my Instagram, and then, you know, follow Personal Planner on their Instagram, and then repost a picture, and you are entered in the giveaway. So go over to my Instagram and see the picture on my page and repost that to be entered. And yeah, along with that, make sure you guys go follow my social medias. I have all my social media down below. Make sure you guys go follow me on everything, my Instagram, Snap, and Twitter. Go follow your girl on all that stuff and stay active with me on my social media. I need some new ideas for you guys of what you guys want to see throughout this year, so I would love to know what you guys want to see. I'm on my A game now. I am back to filming videos as I used to. No more breaks or nothing like that, and I'm really excited and happy for this year. I think this year has a lot of opportunities and stuff. I cannot wait to see how this year turns out. It's going to be a great year, and I can just feel it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys back on my channel with my new video. Bye everyone. Mwah.